How to rename a document in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and open the document you want to rename. Make sure the document is fully loaded before proceeding to avoid any issues. At the top of the screen, you will see the current document title. Tap on the title to edit it. A text box will appear, allowing you to type the new name for your document. Enter the desired name carefully to keep your files organized and easy to find later. Once you type the new name, tap OK to save the new title. You can rename documents multiple times if you want to update the title later. The document will now be renamed and saved automatically in your Google Drive with the new title. You can confirm the change by looking at the top of the screen. And that's it. Now you know how to rename a document in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.